Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make dry pepper beef. This dish is very famous in Kerala. It's a dry fried spicy beef, Kerala style. So let's start cooking. I've added a tablespoon of coconut oil. Let it get hot. This is 2 kilo beef cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm adding all of it. In this, I'm adding 200 grams of small onions, also called shallots, 1 chopped tomato, 5 green chilies, a few curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, two tablespoons of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, two tablespoons of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Mix all of this very well. Do not add water. Water will ooze out from the meat, so that should be good enough for the meat to cook. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on low flame or keep for about 8 to 9 whistles. It depends upon the meat. If the meat is tender, it will cook faster, or wait until it's done. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check the meat. Keep on high flame for 10 minutes. We need our beef to be dry. Stay near the meat. Keep stirring now and then, or it might get burnt. Meat is cooked well. It's perfect. The water in the meat is reduced half. Still it has to reduce. So another 5 more minutes on high heat. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Cooking in coconut oil gives extra taste and aroma. I've added 2 sliced onion and a few curry leaves. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It should be mushy. Now the tomato is nice and soft. Meat has come to a right consistency, nice and thick. Now add meat with the gravy to the onion tomato mixture. See, the meat and the gravy has come together. Mix all of this well. Let's add the powder ingredients to the meat. Garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Fennel powder, also called saunf or sombu, 1 tablespoon. Jeera, also called cumin, 1 tablespoon. Crushed pepper powder, 1 tablespoon. Give it all a nice mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Add a handful of curry leaves for extra aroma. Mix well. Kerala style spicy beef is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy cooking!